काबिल एहतराम मेहमान ख़ास स्टेज पे मौजूद उस्ताज़ इकराम और मुझे अदब शनास साथियों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। सब खां पहिरियां त आउं जनी साहिबनि खे उन्हनि जे जनमु ॾींहुं जी मुबारकबाद पेश कंदुसि ऐं उन सां गॾोगॾु अॼु उन्हनि जे नयनि आयल ॿिनि किताबनि ते बि उन्हनि खे पिणु मुबारकबाद पेश कंदुसि। उसूलन त जंजी साहिबनि जी ज़िंदगी ऐं उन जे कम ते ॻाल्हाइणु तमामु ॾुखियो कमु आहे, छो जो आउं हिकु तालिब इल्म जी हैसियत सां जंजी साहिबनि जे कम खे हमेशह पंहिंजी हैसियत आदर सम्झी सघां थो, पर हिकु ॻाल्हि जो अफ़सोस इहो रहिजी वेंदो आहे त काश असां उहो बि सम्झी सघूं हा जीअं कि लेखक असांखे सम्झाइणु चाहे थो। बुनियादी तौर ते अदब ऐं लिसानियात जे शागिर्द हुजण जी हैसियत सां साईंजन जी कुझु लिसानी ख़िदमतुनि खे अव्हां जे साम्हूं अर्ज़ करणु चाहियां थो। हालांकि किताब जो तबसरो मूं वटि इंग्लिश में मौजूदु आहे, उहो बि अव्हां जे साम्हूं पढ़ंदुसि, पर दिलि घुरे पई त कुझु पंहिंजी ॿोली में अव्हां सां ॻाल्हायां। त साईंजन जी लिखणनि में जेका उन्हनि जी तारीख़ी तसवुफ़ी जेका बसीरत आहे उहा पंहिंजी जॻह ते, उन्हनि जी जेका इल्मी हुस्न आहे उहो पंहिंजी जॻह ते, पर लिसानियात जे अंदरि जेको साईंजन जी लिखनि में असांखे नज़र अचे थो उन में सभ खां जेका मुनफ़रिद शइ आहे उहा आहे साईंजन जी लिखनि में हर लफ़्ज़ लाइ उनजो मुनासिब इस्तेमालु, ऐं सिंधी हुजे, अंग्रेज़ी हुजे या उर्दू हुजे, जेके असां किताबनि में या साईंजन जे अख़बारुनि जे कॉलम्स ऐं रोज़मर्रा पढ़ंदा आहियूं त उते अक्सर असीं इहो ॾिठो आहे त साईंजन वटि हर शइ जो हिकिड़ो ख़ासि ऐं मुनासिब लफ़्ज़ ऐं उन लफ़्ज़ जो हिकिड़ो मुनासिब इस्तेमालु बि हूंदो, ऐं उन सां गॾोगॾु साईंजन खे पढ़ंदे अक्सर असांखे फ्रांसिस बेकन ऐं शेक्सपियर जी ब्रेविटी बि यादि ईंदी आहे, छो त साईंजन जी दानाई जी कुझु मिसाल मां अव्हां जे साम्हूं रिव्यू में पेश कंदुसि त उन्हनि जा कुझु मिसाल अहिड़ा आहिनि जेके तमामु घटि लफ़्ज़नि में, जेके इंग्लिश में एफोरिस्टिक स्टाइल में चयो वेंदो आहे, यानी टू प्रोड्यूस मैक्सिमम थॉट्स एंड मिनिमम वर्ड्स, घटि में घटि लफ़्ज़नि में वधि खां वधि माना ख़ेज़ ॻाल्हि करणु, इहा बि साईंजन जी जेकी लिखण जी ख़ूबसूरती आहे। ख़ैर तव्हां जे साम्हूं किताब म्यूज़िंग्स जो रिव्यू पेश कयां थो। Hazel Briggs, in his famous book Skillful Writing, he writes, "Writing is like music practice. If you miss a day, you will notice your work is not as smooth. If you miss a couple of days, you will really notice. And if you miss a week, other people will notice it." With a view to the words of Hazel as aforesaid, it may be summed up that writing is as appealing as music, and only practice is the instrument which sounds alike. Writing is no doubt the most influential invention that the world has ever made on the surface of the earth. Writers and authors are, as Eliot says, the legislators. It is the writer who lives nearest to life, observes it, sees it, and then gives an open expression to the unfolding record of immense genius and character. Fortunately, we live on the soil whose past and present abound with such legislators, who by dint of their breadth and finer spirit of knowledge revolutionized and are still revolutionizing the very head and heart of many a person. The beloved province of Sindh has remained a hub of knowledge, intellect and literature for some 1,000 years. This pious soil of Sindh has given birth to numberless heroes who have been busy in serving their motherland no matter whatsoever field they are working in. Among such legitimate sons, the proud name of highly esteemed Professor Noor Ahmad Janji holds a high status and seems eminently at top in his services for his land, language and literature. Professor Noor Ahmad Janji is a highly profiled intellectual, language master and expert in literary philosophies. He has got a very striving soul that is always likely to perform something scholastic, informative and serving to the generations present and to come in the next. Mr. Janji's contribution in the recent times beggars no description and no comparison in his genres of specialty. He writes, he writes from his head and heart. His scholarly attitude in his writing can be observed and analyzed from his masterpiece works on Maulana Rumi, Sheikh Ayaz, Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, Bhagat Kabir, and social and cultural history of Sindh. In addition to this, the name of esteemed Noor Janji is famous for its deep insight, aphoristic expressions, lexical whiteness, consciousness in research, philosophical gems, and above all, for his literary musings. The ceaseless level of love by Professor Noor Janji can be traced as an evidence from his newly published book, Musings, which is a cultural and social view of Sindh. This book is an open secret of author's sublimity in erudition and is deeply insightful research in terms of human nature, social and cultural history, and life in Sindh. The author in this book deals with the cultural heritage, economic development, lingual diversion, ecotourism, ruling successions, war, peace, architecture, independence, anthropological and ethnological facets of his motherland, Tharparkar. The other part of the book is designed on the content of miscellaneous essays full of literary fragments with poetic citations, which are, in the words of Sir Gul Muhammad Umrani, to be read in leisure, mildly chewed and digested. The 192 pages of the book Musings start with an interesting dedication from the author to the unsung teachers who lived without any temporal gains and end with the words of Mr. Anisur Rahman Abbasi as a detailed descriptive note on the author. The foreword to the book has been scholarly penned down by our literary critic in literature, Sir Gul Muhammad Umrani, under the title of A Compendium of Insightful Musings on History and Cultural Social Anthropology. Besides this, the author has expressed his thoughts of heart as a preface to his own book in a very easy and lucid manner. However, the book has enormous artistic attributes to be read with true diligence. But the most striking fact of this book is compendious description of historical movement and life in the deserted areas of Thar and Parker, along with various authentic references. Many chapters, which were quite vague before going through this masterpiece from the pen of Professor Janji, have become clear as crystal now. The objective definitions of the terms like culture, tangible and intangible cultural heritage, folklore and folk literature, Chirmi song with its original and translated text, and easy description of dua, which is a thesis and antithesis argumentative description, and the traditional words denoting the measuring weights of gold, such as mu, rati, maso, and tolo, are good enough to make out the folk heritage of life over Tharparkar. War of Independence in Parker is one of the most uncommon secrets opened in this book. The author speaks of the pure natural life and love of the people of Tharparkar. Different zones like Mango, Mohano, Samroti, Parker have been briefly illustrated in the book. Moreover, a complete sketch of rulers' succession on the land of Tharparkar has also been sketched from the British nomenclature Thur and Parkur to the fight of Sodas, from the command of Kalu to the Rajput soldiers. The author is, however, given a marvelous chronological schedule to understand the political situation and patriotism of the people of that time at Tharparkar. The writer works wonders to describe the cultural heritage of Thar, Parker, and ecotourism. Describing Thar and Parker as two separate geographical portions, the writer traced back to some 2,500 years ago to the port city of Parinagar, Brahmukhi Bazar, Vango, Talpur forts, and the memorial stones as not only the oldest and finest examples of diverse cultural heritage, but also the beauty of pluralism at Tharparkar. Architecture of Tharparkar has been discussed too in this book, which is a complex of traditional, historical, and modern buildings. Some old British era buildings are still existing there, and being used as government offices. Forts and sand dunes are the two most expressive sides of Thar Parker. The author has presented an appealing view of ins and outs of all such forts with respect to their constructive orders and dates. Music and traditional dance have also been given a wide importance as a part and parcel of the Thari culture. Thiay, Kafi and Morood are said to be the common forms of musical singings at Thar Parker. However, the book explains a lingual scheme of languages spoken at Thar Parker. Sindhi, Dadki, Parkri, Balochi, Sraiki, Gujarati, and Lohariki are few languages which are, according to the author, spoken there with a variety of dialects and intonation. Remain is not capital is another arresting essay in which the author has explained the capitalist mindset of the modern man. In this essay, the author deals with an ongoing corporate mind where man is bent on wrecking everything he comes across. In this run for valuation, every resources man has almost lost his own real value and challenges the priceless gifts or rewards of nature. This opinion of the author is a sheer illustration of his simple idealism, human resources, and his love for nature. What amazes the reader of Professor Genji a lot is his mighty use of language devices, simple mode of expression, appropriate use of words, and artistic merit. His art smells all knowledge, wisdom, philosophy, nature, and law in concurrence. In the words of young English poet Mr. Na Sijj, it is an astonishing feeling that Professor Noor Ahmed Genji has grasped on contemporary languages with equal ease. This defines a genuine linguist. His concise sentences often remind us of the briefest English prose writer Sir Francis Bacon for his aphorism. Few sentences of that spirit from the book Musings are as under. The saying of all are equal is a euphemism. And second is diversity is a dimensional expression of universe. And the third is when you move ahead by leaving your comfort zone, you either get your goal or provide an advancing step for others. However, nothing could pay the authors other than his real right of appreciation, but his own work in our hand. An artist lives more than a mere life through his art. The book Musings is a fine result of Professor Genji's labor of love at a stretch. The book is a worth reading discourse for its enormous merits, what the reviewer could find and what are remaining to be unveiled yet by the readers. After all, this book is a great literary achievement and valuable accretion in the banquet of history and literature that shall help all and sundry understand the real worth of love for knowledge and love for homeland. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Educator Mumtaz.